So hey, what's up guys? I hope you guys are doing fine. My name is Jatin and you are watching The Gentleman's Approach. So for today we are talking about all the necessary shoes that each and every one of us should at least own, and they will work in 2020 as well. And if I talk about these shoes will never go out of fashion. So coming up first in the list is the formal shoe. Of course, this is a very important shoe because not only it can be used in meetings, conferences as well as the interviews. Now it can be used in casual occasions as well, which includes the casual meetings and casual get-togethers. So now making it a formal and casual shoe, thus it can be called as a flexible shoe which can be used in any occasion. So second one in the list are the boots. So boots are very important these days. Also, if we are talking about a specific one, then Chelsea boots have taken a lot of hype. And how can we wear them? We can wear it with anything we like. And especially if I talk about anything, then that means it can be worn with everything. So it doesn't really matter what we are pairing it with. It can be chinos, it can be trousers, it can be formal pants, or it can be the jeans. But the thing is, it goes with anything and you will definitely look good. So coming up third in the list are the white sneakers. And now there are ton of white sneakers available in the market which you can buy. And if I talk about myself, I only own two pair of sneakers that are white. Also they are Vans old school, and second one is the proper white sneaker from H&M. So both of these shoes are very versatile and very flexible because these can be worn in summers and winters. And if you don't own at least one pair of white sneakers, then that means your wardrobe is still incomplete. So talking about fourth one in the list is the sports shoe. It doesn't make any sense if we are not including any shoe for fitness activities. So this one is very important for each and every one of us to do at least one single activity that is required by our body in order to stay fit and to look young. Also, it can be any activity which includes the running, jogging, walking or the gymming activity. It doesn't really matter. What matters is you have to do an exercise that will relax your mind, relax your feet and maintain your fitness, and you will look fit as well. So last one, which is also the fifth one in the list, is the leather sandals. And now we all know that summers are arriving, and that means we should at least own one single pair of good looking sandals. Now these sandals are not the one we can only wear on beaches, but in fact we can pair it with anything we like and whenever we want. Also these can be used as the streetwear. And lastly, here is the preview of all the sandals and shoes that we require in summer 2020 to look good. And all these sandals and shoes are required by each and every one of us. So go and buy them now because these will never go out of fashion. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to share this video to your friends and family and consider subscribing below for further updates. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Peace.